Hello food lovers, my name is Fabiszewsky, I'm executive chef of Sodexo Poland. Today I'm gonna show you my Polish barbecues world. With this beautiful piece of art called offer, I will show you my favorite recipes from the grill using real fire. Why real fire? Because real fire adds natural flavors. On this beauty, we can prepare food in two ways. First, on the grill. Second, on the steel plate. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. I show you some tricks and tips about Polish barbecues. First dish, szaszlik. We're gonna make it in two ways. To make our szaszliks, we're gonna use two types of meat. First, it's a chicken legs. Second, it's pork tenderloin. First tip, guys, easy going with this membrane. Be careful, you must remove them, because don't matter how long you cook it, it always stays chewy. As you can see, my meat is ready cut to small pieces. Pork and chicken. Now time to season. Season and marinate. It's a real simple. Look at it. First, salt and pepper, of course. Next what we need is herbs, thyme grass and rosemary. So, let's begin. Next ingredient to my marinade, it's an onion. I use red. Now I use olive oil. And my secret ingredient of this marinade, it's a wine vinegar. Don't worry, it's real fantastic flavor. Now I must mix all together. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Smells very nice. Meat changed the color. Look at that. Meat changed the color because vinegar start working. Don't worry, everything is okay. Look at that. Now my meat must get rest about few minutes in the fridge. Wait for me. While my meat is in the fridge, I prepare a simple dip. I have natural yogurt. I use a little bit wine vinegar, a little bit olive oil. I must mix, combine. And now using my veggie grinder, I cut my cucumbers, but of course I have ready grind cucumbers. Only cucumbers without juice. If you like, you can use some garlic. I use 1 clove. And I use dill because I love dill on this dip. Okay. Mix everything. It's almost ready. And to add the final taste, I use salt and pepper. And of course, I must taste. vinegar is okay, pepper is okay, salt is perfect. My dip is ready. Now we're gonna prepare our shashliks. Let me get the meat. Look at my meat. It's ready. It's almost ready. Look, it's changed the color, changed the texture. It's ready to put on the stick. It's really simple. First, it's meat. Next, onion, another meat, another part of onion, another part of meat. Ah, looks delicious. And I must prepare same with chicken leg. I use chicken legs because it has great texture and is very juicy. So, it's really simple. Look at that. Chicken, onion, chicken, onion. I told you, it's a really simple recipe, but it's really tasty recipe. You must try this recipe on your home, on your grill. Look at that. Shashliks in two ways. Chicken and pork loin. Okay, my shashliks are ready. I need high heat. Let it marinate. Listen that. My shashliks are singing. It's chef's music. Alright, it's almost done. So, let's prepare our plate. First, olive oil, a little bit. Next, my shashliks. Come on, come on. Look at that. It's really nice color. Remember, no color, no flavor. Alright, so I use 2 shashliks and a little bit grilled vegetables. Alright, and last but not least, my cucumber dressing. Of course, if you want, you can use more herbs. Grilled vegetables, much of color, little bit tender, a little bit color. What do you need more? It's really tasty and smells very nice. Smells very good and smells real fire. Almost everybody loves meat, but we can't forget about fish lovers. Let's talk about trout. First of all, I want to mention that this recipe works with almost every type of fish. After cutting my fish this way, I must season and stuff on some herbs and lemon. So let's begin. First, I use a little bit olive oil. Yeah, that's it. Next, what I need? A little bit dill inside and some lemon. Look at it. It's really simple. Some parsley inside. I love parsley. And only salt and pepper. That's it. Season. Salt and the lemon juice. Squeeze. Smells incredible. Okay, I prepare my steel plate and I start cooked my fish. Now there is nothing else to do but putting my fish on the grill. Listen to that. I give you my next tip. If you wanna get more flavor from the fish, you can grill lemon on the grill. Alright, come on. Look at my fish. Look at that color and look at that crispy skin. It's really tender and really nice. Look at that juicy meat. Ah, tender. Probably it's the best recipe on the world. That's what I am talking about. My trout is ready. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And the second one. Look at that. Look at that. Looks beautiful. And some tomatoes. Little bit olive oil. Of course, it's very important ingredients. Smells incredible. Little bit sour and little bit sweet, like a, I think like a honey. Now I will squeeze my grilled lemon on my trout. Oh my goodness. Ah, perfect. Ooh, now I will eat this fish. It's really great fish. Do it yourself at your home. Alright, we're done with meat and fish. Now let's do it something for vegetarians. Alright, I give you my special recipe for a burger with portobello mushrooms and halloumi cheese. Look at that. To prepare our mushrooms, we're gonna use olive oil, pinch of salt, and your favorite hot sauce. When the mushrooms are ready, I can put mushrooms on the grill. Let's give them a few minutes because I need a smoky flavor. It's very important on this recipe. Today I use a halloumi cheese. If you like different cheese, you can use different. It's your choice. Look at this one. They have a crispy skin, but inside is really fluffy. Ah, smells incredible. Every burger, of course, needs bread, so I prepare one or twice. Olive oil, of course. Little bit salt. And now on the grill. Okay, I have crispy bread. Listen that. I have grilled mushrooms, cheese ready. Let's put it all together. First step, my favorite dip. Next, my mushrooms. Look at that. Perfect cheese and some extras. I like ring onion, some cucumbers, and 2 slices of tomato, a little bit my cucumber dip, and look at that. For me, it's perfect vegetarian burger. Enjoy your meal. That's the flavor. When you are working all day long next to the grill, it's getting very hot. Let's prepare something to cool ourselves. My propose is virgin mojito. So, what do we need? Lime, of course. Brown sugar, why not? Mint, but must be fresh mint, and some cubes of ice. Here I give you my next tip. Part of my fruits, it's frozen fruits. Let's start. I use a little bit brown sugar, some mint, that's it. Mix, combine, a few seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, it's incredible smell. Whoa. Fresh lime. Squeeze. Squeeze. And next one. Squeeze. And squeeze. Perfect. I have basic. What next? I make some garnish. Fresh mint, I put inside, and a little bit ice. All right, some cubes. Look at that, it looks beautiful. Okay, because it's a virgin mojito, I must use only water. But still, it looks great. And smells incredible. Of course, my drink can rest about few minutes, but I'm thirsty. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet, but it's very refreshing. Cheers! About food, I'm good. Now time for dessert. I prepare special for you amazing dessert from grill. Pineapple with cheese and lemongrass and special sauce with halva. Look at that. First step. I cut my pineapple. I put to the brown sugar. Alright. And put on the grill. Alright, next one. Sounds good. Sounds good, smells even better. Alright, next step, simple. We combine some ingredients. Ricotta cheese, lemon juice, halva. Oh, it's really nice. Little bit of honey. Now I must combine. Oh my god. It smells like cheesecake. You must try it. Okay, let's check out our pineapple. Oh my god. That's the color. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Look at that. And next one. Oh, amazing. Oh, look at this color. This texture. Beautiful. I must prepare my plate. So, honey, lime juice, of course. Next, what we need? We need our pineapple. It's a little bit hot. Oh my goodness. And my cheesecake. Little bit halva. Little bit brown sugar for a color. And finally, a little bit herbs. I use mint, but you can use thyme or something like that. Oh my goodness, look at that. It looks amazing. It's my version of pineapple from a grill. Enjoy your meal. Okay, let's stay with sweets. Now I'm gonna show you Fabiszewski's French toast. Let's check the ingredients. French toast bread, eggs, sweet cream, some fruits, peanut butter and my mix cheese and halva. First I mix eggs. I use 2 of them. Whisk. Okay. Little bit sweet cream. All right. Mix, combine. Ah, very nice. Sugar. Don't be afraid, it's a dessert. All right. Done. Next step, I must prepare sandwich with a peanut butter. Oh. I love peanut butter. If you like, you can use fruit jelly. You see? It's very easy. Alright, what's next? I put my sandwich into my eggs mixture a few times. After that, I will put my sandwich on the grill. And at the same time, I put my bananas. Alright, it's almost ready. First, my French toast. Look at that. Looks amazing. Honey. Next one. Bananas. Some sugar. Now my ricotta cheese. Strawberry. Halva, of course. Looks beautiful. Mint. Do it yourself. And now it's time for international veggie brunch with aubergine. Look at that. I make simple salad. Look, some cherries, tomato, lemon, and what do you want? And the main ingredients of this dish, aubergine. It's really simple. Of course, olive oil. Salt, and the last ingredient, your favorite hot sauce. I love hot sauce. And of course, put on the grill. It's perfect music and must be grilled about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm almost done with my recipes for today. But I want to tell you some rules when you're cooking on the grill. First of all, you never put your food, any food, on aluminium or Teflon trays. Next one, if you can, use real wood on your grill. And for me, the most important thing when I am cooking on the grill is when you eat your grill food, you have to taste a little bit of real fire. My aubergine is done, so let's serve the last dish. Yogurt or crème fraîche? What do you want? Grill, it's a funny time. It's a happy time. And the last one, it's a fruit of grenade. Incredible smell. And this is the last dish for today. I hope you like that. I love this dish. Thank you for your attention, and I hope see you next time. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your grill.